Love and Sparkles, and also aka Cindy. This is the package for Pam. And I believe this is, it's like the last one. I got one other one floating around. I got to figure out where I put it. It's a thank you card. And I think it's a discount code. Yes. So I got to figure out where I put my other one too, because I got one with my last painting. Because I will definitely be using them. Right here, so I don't know where it is until I put it up. Box down here. And I'll be pulling it out. I'll put this right here. Okay. This one is not as big as the last one, so it's so much easier. I think this is the one I'm going to do with my event. Can you see the whole thing? No. I think that would get it, yeah. That is the whole thing. That is gorgeous. So you have the witch. Right here. I went and took a nap. So I took that little barrette out, and it's going to be an art to figure out where exactly that needs to go. But you got all these swirly flowers at the bottom. Here's some flames. And like I said, look, it looks like a ball of light. And then here's the moon. Isn't that gorgeous? This is absolutely gorgeous. This one is called, see if it's got a name on it. I think this one's A Touch of Magic. This one's called A Touch of Magic. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, beautiful. This one's a 60 by 75, so it's more manageable size. The one I'm working on right now is a 60 by 90. It's absolutely humongous. I'm trying to get this so I can get it open so we can pull all these colors out and see what we have. See what we have. Ooh. Got a massively huge box of 310 ABs. We've got more 310 ABs. I know I saw them. Where are they at? We got some 742 ABs, 3078 ABs, 444 ABs, 775 ABs, and then we just get into regular colors, 648, 32, 841. We get to see the amounts of them. $37.21, 22, so some shading going on there. 502, 435, 420, 402, 371, 400, a little bit of 316, so it's beautiful 304, 950, so skin, 224, 730, 989, 30, 33, 30, 12, and 30, 13. So a little bit of shading there. 780, 734, 792, 807, 814, 611, and 563. A big bag of 930s. Pretty big bag of 832. $37.40. Some of your chocolate brown, $33.70. $6.46. $38.14. Run that and hit it. I'll go around here. $38.20. $30.41. Beautiful. $37.56. $37.66. $38.10. $38.42. And another AB. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs. It's a 208 AB. Look at all them colors, guys. Look at all them colors. You also will get, this is your label sheet. It's a full label sheet. It's not a pre-cut out, so you'll have to cut it. But it's got 50 colors. There we go. It's got all 6 ABs. You cut them out. I just use this part. Now I cut this out and put it in my logbook. Let's get these back in here. Put him on the bottom. Put all these back in here. Get all these back. My goodness, those are gorgeous. But I'm going to put that as one that'll be done during my event. And then I'm going to do that other one. That's the same one that Mutt Nut is doing. So me and Mutt Nut will be doing the same one. And then on this one. But I know in 2 months I'm not just going to be on one canvas. Now on the canvas for the event, it does not have to be a new start. You just have to have a 40 by 40 area. If you're starting new, just buy a 40 by 50 or a 40 by 40 and you'll be good. it up, roll it over, and then I'll roll this, roll this. That way I can put it back in the sleeve. Oh, that dress is going to be glorious. All kinds of pretty colors. And I could even get some like glow in the dark. Put it in the moon. That way the moon would glow. And the gold ball is ABs. That's what I can do, is show you where the ABs are now that I've done rolled it all up in there. Okay. That one. Let me see. Is all in here. The light baby blue ABs is all over here. Some of the orange, the flamey orange is in here, and then a couple are, no, those are just not the flamey orange. The 10, where's the 10? 10's right here, and side of her face, like in her yellow hair. And a couple up in her hat. Some of the flowers over here. Oh, what is that? 310. All of the black is ABs. All of the black is ABs. What's that? Ezekiel. Where is it? And that, where's that? There's two I haven't come across yet. Okay, some more down in here. More on these flowers. More on these flowers. I do not see that symbol. What another one? I know they're in here. Probably not very many of them, but they're in here. Okay, they're up in her hair. The like 208s are up in her hair. And there's that. There's one I can't find, and it is 3078. So I really like baby blue. I really like baby blue. That one may just be, it's one of those, you're not going to find it till you need it. Oh my lovely God, oh my gosh. There's so much confetti on here, it's buried in here. So this one is a very confetti heavy picture. It's one of those weird E's. And I just don't see it, guys. I just don't see it. Ah, there it is. Right there. Right there. There's a few of them in here. These white looking areas in here. So, those were the ABs. Wow. Heck of a AB hunt. And when you purchase, so far, my two purchases have both come with a thank you card. And I think a 15% or 20% coupon code. They are poured glue. Now, the plastic does seem to come in two pieces. I found it's easier to put it. Well, this piece, the one that has the folded piece on it, the extra, goes over in first, because then it doesn't catch. Otherwise, it catches, and then it pulls, and then you have issues. There we go. And you get that sticky. I'm getting it slowly. I got boxes down here I gotta work around. Good night. And then I will go to her site and I will look up the link for this one. And I'll get the link for this put up. Oh, good night. I don't want to put it back in the stupid bag. I evidently didn't get it down small enough. There we go. Alright, so there was my P.A.M. from P.A.M. Diamond Painting, gorgeous painting. It's down in there. Put that side, fold this side up, and it will go back in the back room. And I'll put September on it, so I know it's my September canvas. And that way I'll know it's my September canvas. And I'll know just to pull it out in September. So, that First one down. We're going to come down a little so you can see me. I won't be so far up in the air. There we go. First one done. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here in front of me. Get them up off the floor. And then I got the 2 Rose Prophets. We'll bring them over. So I'll do these one at a time. And then we'll have 3 days worth of videos. So this has been it. I will drop links for you guys. Links will be coming up. Love y'all. Like I said, go to the Facebook group, get the Google Doc, and get signed up. Don't forget to sign up. Love you guys. Bye.